Hey everybody, Mark Montani, technician here at Western Reserve Harley-Davidson. We're showcasing this 2019 Billiard Blue Road Glide Special. This motorcycle has right around $15,000 in extras, and we'll run down to you what's on this bike. It's got the knockout wheel kit with the 21-inch front and an 18 rear with new tires. It has a 21-inch color match front fender and the chin fairing, a full-length chin fairing. It's got headlight and turn signals, all LEDs. Rider passenger footboard kits, kahuna hand grips and shifter pegs. Color matched inner fairing, color matched top duct kit, home audio stage 2 kit and amplifier. As far as the engine goes, we have chrome rocker cover, Screamin' Eagle heavy breather performance air cleaner, 4.5-inch Screamin' Eagle street cannon slip-on mufflers and slotted end caps, and a Screamin' Eagle Pro Street Tuner. On the seating, we got short backrest pad and backrest, 4-point docking hardware kit, and a black luggage rack. The saddlebags are stretched, the side covers are stretched to match the bags. This motorcycle has a lot of extras on it. You can rest assured that this is going to be a good buy for somebody who's looking for the complete bike. This Road Glide is a very sought after model. The Billiard Blue is a nice color, and all the extras that we've done to it make it an extra special piece for whoever may want to jump on this and take it for a spin. Come see us at 8567 Tyler Boulevard in Mentor, Ohio, and thank you for your support.